Hello guys! Ayan guys, tapos na tayo guys magluto ng adobo. So kakain na tayo guys. Ayan yung ating kanin at yung ating nilutong adobo guys. Sarap guys. Oh. Sarap. Naanuhan pa dyan ng paminta yan. And then, partnera natin guys ng kamatis. Yummy. Yan ang pinakamasarap na guys. And the Sprite. Charap guys. So, let's eat guys. Kakain na tayo guys. Ayan. Ayan. So, when kayo yung ating sauce. So, special natin na ginawa natin to guys. Ayan. Special adobo. Ayan. So, yan. Yan guys. Ayan.